and welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video we are talking about the Odeon PM and the South Banks Damier Ebene crossbody bag. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you stick around to see what I have to say about both bags. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not already subscribed, well, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button, and while you're at it, hit the bells button so that you'll never miss an upload from me. You might want to go ahead and subscribe because I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and the 500 subscriber giveaway winner will get to win a pair of these Gucci sunglasses, and all the details will be in the description box down below, so make sure you read that. While you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so that we can get to know each other there just like how we're getting to know each other here. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So just like in the intro, I'm going to be talking about the South Banks Damier Ebene crossbody bag compared to the Odeon PM bag that came out last year in 2020. So this is what the South Banks Damier Ebene bag looks like. It's been out for some time. I got this back in 2019. No, I'm sorry, back in 2014, and I love it to pieces. And I will show you what the Odeon PM looks like. So last year for my birthday, I purchased the Odeon PM in Monogram and natural vachetta. This comes in Damier Ebene now. The Damier Ebene version came out this year in 2021. There's the Damier Ebene, and that one comes with the black leather, and then there is the Monogram canvas that comes in black leather as well as the natural vachetta leather. There's also two sizes, the PM, which is this size, and then there is an MM as well. Since we're talking about the Odeon, let's start with the Odeon first. So the Odeon, this is the remodeled version. The older version, I don't know what year that came out, and so if you know the year, you can drop it in the comment section down below. But I do know it is the shape. They changed the shape, and these little the vachetta leather that's in the bottom corners, those used to be at the top, so the top corners, and I don't think the strap was removable. From the pictures that I've seen, I'm gonna insert a picture in this video, but the pictures that I've seen, it doesn't seem as though the strap was removable, and the strap was a vachetta strap. Depending on which bag you get, the strap does match the color of the vachetta that's already trimmed on the bag. Because the strap is removable, I keep mine inside of the bag since it is the natural vachetta. What is beautiful about the vachetta that comes on the Odeon is that it's already pre-treated, so it's not that pure white vachetta that we see on the bum bags or the speedies. So it has been patinaed just a tab. So with this one, this bag comes, also the older Odeon does not come with the luggage tag. This is just a new feature on the remodeled version, and if I'm not mistaken, I don't think the older version had a front pocket. I don't know if it has a front pocket on the back, but if you are familiar with the Odeon, please comment down below and let me know if it had a pocket on the back. But the remodeled version has a pocket on the front and a luggage tag with LV on it. Depending on what leather finish that you want it to get, all the leather details will match whatever leather color you opt with, either black or the natural vachetta. So all the hardware on here is gold. It has the magnetic front pocket here that you can hold things. The lining is that nice burgundy lining on the inside with the knit canvas on the back side of the pocket. The inside of the bag is that same burgundy lining, and it's one main compartment with a slit pocket in the back, so you can store things there as well. And it does come with a chunky removable strap, which makes wearing this bag very comfortable. It's removable. You have two lobster clasps at the end, and they are monogrammed in Louis Vuitton, or engraved with the Louis Vuitton name. Again, it is a very thick, chunky strap that helps wearing the bag more comfortable. It is adjustable. It comes with like different length options that you can set for your bag, and then the strap is also hot stamped with Louis Vuitton Paris on it. So a nice, well thought out strap, and I do enjoy the fact that it is removable, so when I'm done carrying the bag, to preserve my strap, I can just place it back inside of the bag and house it there. So you will attach the strap, I will do it right now. You will attach the strap to these gold hooks that they put on the side of the bag, which is nice and convenient. And so you would just attach it, and you will wear it as such. You can wear it as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. If you have other Louis Vuitton or any other kind of strap options, you can play around with your bag, get creative with it, and all of that. You will also find where your bag was made on the back of the bag, and so mine was made in France, and this is basically the Odeon. So this is the South Bank crossbody bag, and this bag, I don't know if it was out before 2014, but 2014 is when I purchased mine and when I discovered this bag. Main differences about this bag is that it is in the Damier Ebene print. It's more of a carefree bag versus the Odeon, because the Odeon, well, the Odeon that I have has vachetta on it, but you can get the Odeon in the black leather, and that makes that carefree. But yes, mine is Damier Ebene, very carefree. It has the Louis Vuitton Paris front tab right here. My straps are not removable, but they are adjustable. So my straps are not removable, but they're adjustable. So you have the chocolate leather on the front, and then you have the red leather on the back, which I really love about this bag. This bag is trimmed in gold detail. It has two zippers, a gold zipper track. It still has the chunky hoops that hold the strap in place. And there is a lot of Louis Vuitton engraved in the gold hardware. So, oh, and it does come with the tassel. The tassel looks like you can remove it. I've never tried to remove mine, but if you do have the bag and you have removed it, comment down below if that was an easy task or not. On the inside, just like the Odeon, it has like the canvas, the Damier Ebene canvas, lined in the back of the pocket, and then on the front part of the pocket is lined with the beautiful red interior that we love with the Damier Ebene. Well, I love with the Damier Ebene style bag. So this bag is currently the bag that I am currently carrying. I've been carrying this bag for the past week, and I absolutely love this bag. I sometimes forget that I have this bag and that I need to keep it in rotation. The inside of my bag was way more organized than how it is now, so please don't judge me. But it is lined with the red material that we love in the Damier Ebene collection, or the signature red lining that comes with Damier Ebene. It is one main compartment, and then there is a slit pocket in the back. I'm also going to be showing you everything that fits inside of both of these bags, so bear with me, okay? So since I have this bag in my hand, let's like talk details about it. So I love this bag because it's such a carefree crossbody satchel slash hobo kind of bag. This bag is literally the crossbody version of a Neverfull, and I love it because it carries so much. Now, a con is that I would wish the strap was removable and thicker, because once you put a lot of things in this bag does weigh like have a nice little weight to it. So if the strap was thicker, it would take away some of that weight and just be a little bit more comfortable than what it really is. But I love this bag so much so I can overlook that. But if the strap was thicker, it would be more beneficial. I usually like to keep my phone in the front pocket because the front pocket actually holds a lot. Let's say you're in the store, I usually keep my card holder and my phone up here so that I can just easily reach down inside and get it, and then anything else that I possibly might need for the day I'll keep in here. This is a great in between small and medium handbag, especially now that we're like working more and having to like leave the house more and carry a little bit more things. This bag has really come in handy because y'all know I keep a lot of I have a lot of mini bags, and mini bags don't hold a lot of things, but this definitely does. It's a very plain and simple bag, no rhyme, no reason, but she really packs a punch, and I really do love this bag and its carefreeness and how durable it is. I do have slight wear and tear because I've had it for so long. My hardware is tarnishing just a little bit. That's another con. But other than that, like, it practically looks brand new. So let's go to the Odeon. So with the Odeon, this is the PM size. So the Odeon is probably not gonna hold as much as the South Bank because look at the size comparison. This bag might be the size of the MM in the Odeon, and this is like the PM size. I love my South Bank bag so much. That's why I wanted to get an Odeon version, or the Odeon, because it's a monogram version of the South Banks bag, and I haven't found another crossbody bag that can hold as much and really like do what I need it to do and be worn comfortably outside of this. Like, yeah, we have Speedies that hold a lot, but if you don't own a Speedy bandolier, it's just like it gets heavy and uncomfortable after a while. Yeah, we love the Neverfulls, but sometimes like you don't want to have to deal with like a strap falling off your shoulder, so you want a crossbody bag. So because this bag, the South Banks Damier Ebene bag, is like a Neverfull and a Speedy combined as a crossbody, I was like, I have to have a monogram version in vachetta, and that's what landed me to the Odeon. And plus I wanted one slightly on the smaller side, and the Odeon is the perfect size. Again, the Odeon can be worn more comfortably because of the thicker strap that it has. So that's why this bag is so nice. I just love the finishing. I love the monogram. I've been really into monogram lately, so this is really nice. Hopefully, like, I know Louis Vuitton is starting to be selective on how much monogram that they put out into their stores, so hopefully this bag isn't affected by that because this is such a great bag and I think everybody should have one. So this bag is great for weekends, being carefree. Well, it's not as carefree because it does have vachetta, but it is more on the carefree side because it's already patinaed. And it also has 2 zipper pulls and a gold zipper track. I also like how it kind of like dips down just a little bit. I love that little touch because my South Banks bag, it kind of like zips straight across, which is completely fine. But I love the Odeon, and just like the little small touches, like just how the South Banks has a tassel, this has a luggage tag. It's like little details like that. And again, my major pro is that the strap is removable and the thickness of the strap. So I'm just gonna show you, I'm done rambling about the bags. Like, there are obvious differences, but there's a lot more similarities in style and structure. But I'm just gonna show you what fits in the bag. So like I said, my South Banks bag has been my current handbag that I've been carrying, and so I'm just gonna show you everything that I have everything that I have in here, I'm gonna just take out and place in the Odeon, and whatever can't fit in the Odeon, that's it. But the first thing that we're gonna start out with that's not in my purse is my cell phone. And you all know I have the typical iPhone 10, no rhyme or reason. So we're just gonna go ahead and drop that right into our bag, and it goes right in there. It's in there, it's dark in there, but it's definitely in there. And then I always, my charger. I always carry my Louis Vuitton Monogram mini pochette as a keep all. So that is gonna go right into my Odeon. And it fits just like that. Next, I have my Monogram key pouch, and it's just acting as a wallet right now. So I'm gonna drop that right on inside, and that's in there just like that. Hand sanitizer, because we have to keep our hands clean so we can remain healthy. And by the way, I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe and staying healthy during these trying times. I have a pack of gum, and we're gonna place that right on in the Odeon like that. I have my charger connected to my AirPods that I need to like wrap up. I usually keep my AirPods in my mini pochette, but they're just straggling around, so we're just gonna drop that inside of our Odeon like that. And I have some Nivea hand cream, and Nivea hand cream is really good. This is like my dupe for the L'Occitane. Probably pronounced that wrong. I am so sorry if I did, but this is a good dupe for that, and I love this hand cream. And this would usually fit inside of my mini pochette. Let me just go ahead and put it in there, make my bag organized. And in my mini pochette, I just have lip gloss, some cash, Advil, my vaccine card, stuff like that. Stuff that you would just drop in your purse, but if you want to keep your purse organized, you know, like that's what would be in there. So we're just gonna put that back in there. I also have some like roll-on perfume in there as well. And then I have some mascara, and all of that fit inside of the Odeon PM, and all of that came out of my South Banks purse, because this is the bag that I've been recently carrying. So if you always wanted an Odeon PM or an Odeon, you can see that the PM holds a lot, and you could fit more things in. So if you want a nice crossbody bag that's comfortable and carefree, you can purchase the Odeon. This is the PM size. They have an MM size that is very close in size to the South Banks, and if everything from my South Banks bag can fit in the PM, imagine what the MM can hold. So yeah, so you basically saw what fits in both bags. If this was enough and you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I am giving away these Gucci sunglasses at 500 subscribers. So if you want to be a lucky winner, please read the description box down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.